Okay, hey, BOOZHOO. Just hanging out here. And I suppose we should start the show. It's a really pretty morning. It is a Mino Giga Jabe. It is a good morning. Mino Giga Jabe. Good morning. I was thinking about doing a prayer, but it's prayer day. It's Anima A Gija Good. Anima A Gija Good. It is prayer day. Sunday. Sunday. But I don't want to just jump right into a prayer. Sometimes I feel like I have to wait to get inspired, to be in spirit, I don't want to just pray for your entertainment, In fact, maybe I'll do this later. Beep. Hello. Hi, sweetie.
Oh, hi, NanaBOOZHOO. Where are you?
I'm outside.
You want to come in and do the podcast?
Yeah, I was thinking about it. Must be just about that time.
Well, yeah, let's go on early today because, we got to go to church.
Yeah, sure.
All right. Do you want me to lock in on your coordinates and teleport you home?
Would you mind?
Oh, I'd be happy to. All right, hang on. I'm scanning the area. Okay. Locking in on your coordinates. 1 to beam back home. Hang on. Don't move.
What do you mean?
Just don't move.
It doesn't exactly make me feel comfortable when you say, don't move.
Yeah, well, last thing I need is to be halfway into teleporting you and have you step out of the way.
Yeah, that would be bad, huh?
Yeah, they never show that, but I wonder how many people just get cut in half on Star Trek. When the guy just starts to walk away.
I know, you don't see that, but probably a lot.
Yeah, probably a lot, huh?
Anyway.
So how is it outside?
Oh, it's beautiful. But that's what I like about mornings, Almost every morning is gorgeous.
Yeah, it's true.
I don't care if it's winter or summer or whatever. When it's been really hot, the mornings are just nice and cool. If it's been a cold night, the sun comes back and, it starts to warm up stuff. It's just my favorite time of the day.
Yeah, me too.
How are you?
Oh, I'm doing great.
Yeah. I wonder if anybody will show up from the BOOZHOO crew this morning.
I don't know. We're on pretty early.
Yeah. I didn't know how I wanted to start the show today.
Well, you could start right now.
Should I start and say hello to the people?
Yeah.
Hey, BOOZHOO! And welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO. And over here, hikes.
Get out of here.
Oh, wow. The sight for sore eyes. The lovely and the talented Natasha. Ikadon BOOZHOO Inimushane. Say hello to these people.
Hello, everybody. How you doing? Welcome back to the show.
Oh, and over here, I almost forgot, the rock star cartoonist, Michael Lyons. Ikadon BOOZHOO Niji. Say hello, brother. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the show. Yeah. How you doing? Oh, I'm doing great. How are you? Yeah, Sunday. It's Monster Truck Rally Day. You gonna go to that Monster Truck Rally with me? I don't think we have any Monster Truck Rallies in this town. Yeah, I've never been to one. Seems like the kind of thing I would have done growing up, but there's just so many cultural things I've missed out on in my life. Monster truck rallies. I never saw one of them. You know, most truck sports. You know, I've actually never even been to the ice races on Garfield Lake. You know, I've never went to the Eel Pout Festival. Never saw a monster truck rally. Yeah, I've been really sheltered in a lot of ways.
Yeah, huh?
Never been to an opera. Never saw the ballet. I'm not even sure if I've ever seen the Olympics.
What about on the TV?
Even then, I've so little cared. You might have noticed, apparently the Olympics are going on. And I think they have been for a while. And this is the first time we've mentioned it because I don't even care enough to mention how I don't care. I've never cared about the Olympics. Oh, look at me. I'm dancing around in a gym. Well, so what? Oh, what do you know? I guess this is in the news. Oh, the volleyball team doesn't want to have to wear bikini bottoms anymore. Like, what? How is that still... What? Okay, please don't. This is a sport. Don't be wearing swimwear. Why were you ever wearing that? I don't know. But, you know, that's how they get people to be interested in their dumb Olympic games. Oh, look at us. Look how fast I can run. We're number one.
It is kind of stupid.
Yeah, I just never cared. I know this isn't going to win me any fans. I never cared about football either. It's like, hey, man, if you pay me $1 million, I'll take this football and I'll try to get it over there in the end zone. I'm like, okay. But will you sue us for brain damage later? No, it's my head, my sport. Obviously, it's nobody's fault but my own if I hurt myself. All right. Just don't be a racist mascot. Cleveland Indians. Cleveland racists, I call them. I'm so glad they finally changed that name.
I know. That's more important than anything.
The Cleveland Guardians. But, you know, I don't have time for that. Today's word of the day is Anima A Gishagud. Anima A Gishagud. Prayer day. Sunday. I was thinking about starting this show with a prayer, like just being outside.
Yeah? Did you want to put out some tobacco?
Yeah, but now I don't know. Now I'm not feeling it. I think it was, I don't know, I'm too preoccupied with ideas of justice and peace. Maybe I should pray to Gitche Manadu, the Great Spirit. I could say, Daga, please. We took a wishin, help me. Gitche Manadu. Daga, we took a wishin. Help me. I don't even know what I'm supposed to pray for. I don't even understand the simplest things. I don't know. If I'm really pressed, there's very little I even understand. So help me to understand. Help me to know what I should want and what I shouldn't want. You know? I don't dare pray for anything because, I don't know, what if what I think I want is not what I need and maybe the worst thing for me? You know? Oh, Gitche Manado, please send me, you know, this one little thing. Lots and lots of riches. You know, maybe that would be the worst thing that could ever happen. You know, Gitche Manado, send me a beautiful Hollywood movie actress, you know, that I can marry and love. And what happens? He sends Amber Heard. And she beats you up and takes half of your Pirates of the Caribbean money. Destroys your reputation. Makes you lose a job. You know. Careful what you wish for. I don't know, Johnny Depp got everything he could have ever dreamt of. Oh, I'm the biggest star in the world. And I got, oh, the handsome face. Look at us. And I can play guitar. And guess what? Now I'm in a band with Alice Cooper. And what's his face from Aerosmith? You know, Mr. Cool. Mr. Rich, Mr. Good Looking, Mr. Successful. Finally gets the cherry on top. He gets a beautiful Hollywood starlet to be his wife. And in some course of that relationship, she ends up pooping in his bed. They get all drunk and get into fights. He gets his finger cut off. She fakes getting beat up by him, calls the cops. You know. He's got to spend a night, you know, in the hospital, getting pictures taken of his bruises and stuff. They go to court, millions of dollars later. You know, ex-girlfriends have to weigh in. Oh, you never hit me. You know, through all this, did anybody want to be Johnny Depp anymore? It's like, no. I'm sure during that whole time he was just thinking, you know what? I should just put on my black and white makeup again. Get on my horse and ride out into the prairie as Tonto. They'll never see me again. They'll be like, whatever happened to Johnny Depp, the movie star? Well, he got entangled and he got what he wanted. He prayed for a woman and it turned out to be the worst thing he could have gotten. You know, after everything was said and done, he would have been happier just staying on Jump Street. You know, just being a narc. But nope. The old Anishinaabe clown posse rides again. I don't know. Andi Ea Natasha, Andi Ea Natasha.
Here I am, here I am. You gonna play that song?
Yeah, I think so.
Andi Ea Nanaboozhoo, Andi Ea Nanaboozhoo.
Oh my beanie, oh my beanie.
Ani Eji Ea Yan.
Mimi no ea mi gwetch.
Giga Waba Min, Minawa. Andi Ea Anamosh, Andi Ea Anamosh.
Oh my beanie, oh my beanie.
Ani Eji Ea Yan.
Mimi no ea mi gwetch.
Giga Waba Min, Minawa. Andi Ea Benjamin, Andi Ea Benjamin.
Oh my beanie, oh my beanie.
Ani Eji Ea Yan.
Mimi no ea mi gwetch.
Giga Waba Min, Minawa. Andi Ea Michael, Andi Ea Michael.
Oh my beanie, oh my beanie.
Ani Eji Ea Ya.
Mimi no ea mi gwetch.
Giga Waba Min, Minawa.
Andi ea nana boozhoo, andi ea nana booja. Oma pinin, oma pinin. Anin eji ea yan, nimi no ea miigwech. Giga waba min, wa. Hikes. That's a mouthful, it really is.
Yeah, it is.
Where is Thumby? Where is Thumby? Here I am. Where's your thumb? So what's going on? I kind of feel like we're just talking to ourselves today.
Yeah, nobody's watching yet.
Yeah. Get out of bed, BOOZHOO crew. I know we're like an hour and a half early. Oh, you can't get up early. Oh, it's Sunday. I'm just gonna sleep in. Ah, you lazy bums. Can't get up and learn about the culture and the language. Please. What else we have going on here? Hey, you know it's the first day of August.
It's the first day of the wild rising moon.
Menu Minike Jesus. Menu Minike Jesus. It's the wild rising moon. I don't think it's going to be for a couple of weeks, though.
What do you mean?
When people start racing, that's usually at the end of August, beginning of September. But I should have pulled up a picture of those guys wild racing.
You still could.
Let's see if I can find it here. La da 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 dum. Oka hey. Oka hey. It's a cool OJIBERISH cartoon of a bear. No, I think it's a wolf. And maybe it's a wolf and a bear racing. So worth bringing the show to a screeching halt. Where did I put that? There's a USB. Here are my scans. And maybe here. So not worth it.
Did you find it?
Yeah. Mino Gija good. Nice day. Good day. But these guys are going racing. Because it's August. And in the Ojibwe language, we call August Wild Racing Moon. Huh, sweetie?
That's right.
Yesterday I told that story of our migration. You know, Medicine Man had a vision that he'd come to a place. We would know we were home when we come to the place where food grows on the water. And we called it Manuman. Wild rice. Oh, the sacred wild rice. You can mix it with some Campbell's soup, you know, cream of mushroom soup, maybe some cream of chicken soup, whatever. You can make wild rice hot dish. Oh, you know, it wouldn't be Thanksgiving without at least 2 different types of wild rice hot dish. You got your plain rice, you know, you might want a side of that, but then there's also the gooey stuff, you know. The white, gray, you know, the really good stuff. But, you know, Mino geese are good. Wild racing moon. You'd think would be our word of the day, but it's really not. Miigwech ka easy bimadaziyan. Miigwech ka easy bimadaziyan. Thank you for my life. Maybe I should go outside.
You want to go outside and thank the Creator for your life?
Yeah, I could. I don't know. Since nobody's here, maybe I'll just go commune. I mean, you're here. I could talk to you.
You can always talk to me. You can talk to me.
Yeah, maybe I'll go outside and put a little tobacco out. And, I don't know. Say a little prayer on this prayer day.
All right. Hold on. Let me lock onto your coordinates.
Okay.
And then I'm going to teleport you right back outside where you were.
All right.
Okay, for God's sakes, don't move.
I won't move.
One to teleport. Bloop. Hello.
Hi, sweetie. It's NANABOOZHOO.
Oh, you made it. Thank goodness.
You sound surprised.
Well, you never know.
Maybe we should be more careful with how often we use this teleporter.
You'll be fine.
All right. Well, I'm going to say a little prayer and then I'll call you up when I need you to pick me up again, okay?
Okay, roger that. Over and out.
Over and out, sweetie. Yikes. It smells like campfire out here. We have all those Canadian fires. The whole town is full of smoke. Anyway. Got a little tobacco here. A little sema. Get your money do. The God we do coition. Please help me. Help me not to cough through this prayer. Nah. Miigwech kaiji bamadaziyan. Thank you for my life. Miigwech kaiji. Kakina gegu kaiji chikeyan nungom. Thank you for everything that you do today. You know, Miigwech bizandawiyeg. Thank you for listening. Ni anama a to my prayer. Anama a to my prayer. Get your manado. The gawi do kawishan we need ji nana kudo wendaman. Ji adapnaman inu. Ke gashki katosi one. Ji anji sa doyan. Ji apichite ayan. Ji anji sa doyan. Ke gashki katoyan. Jite apichi nambwakiyan. Ji kendaman ono. Ape inge. Adapnaman asema. What I just said there too, yeah, the last part of that prayer was the serenity prayer. I asked the Great Spirit to help me accept the things I cannot change. The courage to change the things that I can. And the wisdom to know the difference. I don't know. Popular prayer for the alcoholics, but it's something I try to remind myself of, you know. Just because you want it doesn't mean you should get it. Careful what you wish for. What do you really want? Or what you think you want? Most of us, I think, just want relief from depression and anxiety. We're kind of like, yeah, it'd be cool to have a car that, you know, that's a nice looking car. But what I really want is I just want to be able, something, I want to be able to get to where I'm going and get home again and never have to worry about it. I don't want to have to work a second job on Saturdays just to make the car payment and the insurance and all that. You know, I want some relief from my stress. And so they dream of having a life where they could afford a new car. You know, And you see those commercials, and it's like, oh wow, that guy looks so comfortable, just cruising in his big old black, beautiful SUV thing or whatever. It just looks so safe and comfortable. He looks like he's driving in some sort of bulletproof thing, you know. Like he doesn't have a care in the world. If only I had a car like that, then I could finally relax. But, I don't know. What we really want, we would say, is happiness. But we just want relief from unhappiness. You know? La dee da dee dum, la da dee dum. Stick around and it may show. I heard this thing. The weird thing about happiness is that the more you pursue it, the less you can get it. And the more you accept like discomfort, the more you're accepting of bad stuff, the oddly more comfortable you become, the happier you become. If you're trying to get happy, you won't get it. If you're accepting of the unhappiness, the things you cannot change, then, you know, you kind of by default. It's like, you ever see a dog? Dogs are always like, it's good enough. Even a dog, I like you have a homeless guy who's got a little dog by him there, and he's all in rags, and he looks all depressed. The dog's usually like pretty good spirits. It's like, yeah, you know, it's a nice day. Me and the owner get to hang out together here. Went for a walk earlier. Now we're just sitting here, and people come by and give me treats. Oh, this is great. You know, I used to live in a pound. Now I'm out here in the fresh air. He probably prefers it that his owner doesn't have a house. You know, at the house, he had to be leashed up. Couldn't jump on the furniture. Now he gets to be outside all day with his owner. You know, and he's happy because he accepts what is. He's not chasing what he wishes. You know? And that's why I always say, gratitude, you can't, you know, happiness is not one of the 7 Anishinaabe values. We don't, we value happiness. Now we value wisdom and humility and honesty and truth, love. Even gratitude isn't one of them. Respect. But if you can chase gratitude, if you can just be grateful for something, then happiness will come. It's like, hikes, I'm so grateful. It could be so much worse. You know. Compare your life to somebody else's who's, you know, Johnny Depp. Guy has to drink $30,000 worth of wine just to get through the month. You know, that's not a happy person. You know, he got everything you could have wished for. Oh, I wish I was dating Winona Ryder and in a big movie, and I wish I had scissor hands. Oh, okay, here you go. Oh, neat. Oh, geez, I really wish I was Tonto. Yeah, here you go. Here's a horse. Oh, look at me. Oh, I want to play. I'm a pirate. Be in a movie with Keith Richards. Yeah, okay, here you go. Here's a few $1 million. And what does it feel like to be Johnny Depp? It feels like $30,000 worth of wine. You know, a perpetual hangover. How he stays so handsome. You know, he's got to take adrenochrome, blood. Guy's a walking vampire. And even his wife doesn't love him. Cheats on him with Elon Musk. Can you imagine if your girlfriend cheated on you? It'd be one thing to have your girlfriend cheat on you. I mean, that'd be embarrassing and hurtful. But she cheats on you with a pear-shaped dad body weirdo pervert like Elon Musk. Ugh. That had to hurt too. I don't know. I feel bad for Johnny Depp. I think he's a cautionary tale, you know. Careful of getting what you wish for. You may end up the saddest person in the world. Free Britney. That's what I say. So, get your money. Do I pray today for Britney? Free her from her father. Or whatever's going on there. I can't be bothered to pay attention. I don't really care. But, you know. You gotta be grateful for what you have. You gotta also wake up. There ain't no guarantees. There's no tomorrow. Oh yeah, you know, I'm guaranteed to live until I'm 72. I'm gonna retire, and that gives me, 6-7 years of time to go fishing and play golf. Won't even have to work. And I'll never get sick because my body will be filled with all kinds of vaccines that keep rolling out every season. So, but then I'll just check out and whatever, man. Deep Thoughts by Jack Handy. I bet you if the trees cried each time they were cut down, that people would not be so cavalier about cutting down the majestic tree. Unless, of course, they cried all the time and screamed just for no apparent reason. we'd be just, clear cutting the forests if trees screamed in pain. No! Timber! Ah! So, really, there's only one viewer after all this time? Hello, BOOZHOO one viewer. I can't believe how precarious my show is. Sometimes I feel like, I'm getting famous. Oh, everybody's talking about our show. Well, they just love the show, And then you go on, an hour early one time and you realize, oh, nobody's going to watch your show. If you change anything, then you have a handful of people who care. Literally, like you could name them all. That's not really a fan base if you can name them all by name. It's not like, the Kiss Army, Paul Stanley can go, okay, see the Kiss Army's, there's Michael Lyons and Natasha and NanaBOOZHOO. They could never name all the Kiss fans. But I could pretty much name all the fans of our show. See, there's Michael Lyons, Natasha. Anyway, I should get back. Bloop. Hello. Hi, Natasha. It's me, NanaBOOZHOO.
Oh, hi, sweetie. Are you ready to come home?
Yeah. I said my prayers. I talked about Johnny Depp. And I don't know, I kind of miss you.
Yeah, okay, I miss you too. All right, let me just lock in on your coordinates. And I'm going to teleport you back. Okay, 1 to teleport home. And don't move. Welcome back.
Hey, thanks, sweetie.
How is it outside?
Hey, not too bad. Pretty. Although I can still smell the smoke from the fires in Canada. Yeah, thanks a lot, Canada. You finally exported something people in the States noticed. Wildfire smoke. Hey, Idle Mind is here. BOOZHOO Idle Mind. Welcome to the show. Sweetie, we finally have a viewer.
Hey, BOOZHOO Idle Mind.
Last night a little dancer came dancing to my door.
Last night, a little angel. Do you think that's Billy Idol mind?
That's what I'm thinking. Must be a Billy Idol fan. Oh, I wonder where Billy Idol is now. Billy Idol. Long lived a memory.
Is he dead?
Actually, now that I think about it, I don't think he is.
Yeah, I think he's still alive.
Oh. Seems like he should be dead.
I know. He seems like he's one of those 80s guys who should have died by now.
Yeah. You know. Freddie Mercury's gone. George Michael. David Bowie. Prince. Eddie Van Halen even. But Billy Idol, he marches on. You can't stop him. He's eyes without a face.
Got no human race. He's eyes without a face.
Face. What was this guitar player's name?
Steve Stevens.
Steve Stevens. I somehow doubt that was his real name.
You don't think Mr. and Mrs. Stevens had a baby and said, oh, let's name him Steve? Because it'd be like Steve Stevens.
Yeah, nah. I don't think moms want to make jokes of their kids' names. Although I did hear this. There was one mom named her kids Orangelo and Lamangelo.
Or how do you say it?
Orangelo and Lamangelo. If you spell it out, it's orange jello and lime jello.
You gotta be kidding me.
Yeah, isn't that stupid? Oh, you poor kids. Your mother's an idiot. Orange jello, lime jello. Time for your after school snack. Oh, really? What are we having? Well, coincidentally enough, we're having jello pudding pops to celebrate the freedom of Bill Cosby. Free Bill Cosby. Yeah, free Britney. No. We're gonna free Bill Cosby. You go on ahead there, Mr. Huxtable. Dr. Huxtable. You served your debt to society. I mean, what'd you do, really? Just drugged and raped dozens of women? Slap on the wrist, I say.
Yeah.
I don't know. I mean, I think, isn't OJ a free man?
Is he?
I think he might be. You can do anything you want. If you're rich enough. They're like, yeah. Casey Anthony. You know, she's walking around. All she did was kill her daughter. I don't get it. I'm going to become a, a vigilante.
Like Batman?
Yeah. Go take the law into my own hands.
Hey, sweetie.
Yeah?
You want to take a phone call?
Yeah, sure. Who is it?
It says it's Megan from Los Angeles.
Megan, okay. Hello, caller. Megan, welcome to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. You're on the air. Oh my God, I can't believe it. I'm on the podcast. That's awesome. Hey, Megan Merkel, what's going on? Oh, I was just watching your show. I wanted to call and say hi. So, I haven't talked to you so long. That's like crazy. Yeah, it's really crazy. How's that little baby of yours? Oh, she's a bundle of joy. She's so cute. Yeah, what's her name again? Oh, we call her Lilibet. Oh, yeah, because she's just a little bit black. yeah, because she's a little bit black. Oh, you know, the Queen of England. She's such a racist. Yeah, I remember that. You called the Queen a racist or something. Why? Because she's like, oh, what color is that baby going to be? And I was like, hey, you're racist. My baby's beautiful. You want to see a picture? Yeah, I'd love to see a picture of your baby. Oh, she's a bundle of joy. Look. Oh, jeez. There she is, a little baby, a little bit. Yeah, that's a beautiful baby. Oh, I can't believe it. She's a bundle of joy. Yeah. Yep. Cheers. Congratulations. I'm gonna take down a picture of your baby. You know, just 'cause I want to protect their privacy.
Yeah, I gotta protect your privacy, you know, because I'm so famous.
Yep, you're so famous that have you ever considered maybe putting, like Michael Jackson when he used to put those scarves and whatever his kids' faces?
Yeah, I remember that. He wanted to guard their privacy. He put them in masks.
Yeah, maybe you should do that with your kid. Not that she isn't a beautiful baby, she is. But just to be safe, you could put a mask on her. Or a bag or something.
Huh, yeah, I might have to do that. I'm gonna do that.
Okay. So what else can I do for you, Megan?
I want to change my word of the day.
Oh, okay. Well, we've got Gitchi Manadu.
Get your man do. What's that now?
Well, that means that's our word for the great spirit. Gitchi is like great, and then a Manadu is a spirit.
Get your man do. Great spirit.
Yep. And then Daga is like please. Daga.
Daga! Oh, please! Daga!
Yep. And Widuka Wishin means please means help me.
We do coalition! Oh, I can't believe it! We do coalition, help me! I wish somebody would help me!
What do you need help with?
I need some more maids! I got these babies! I don't know what to do with these babies!
Well, you just gotta be their mom, You gotta feed them and care for them and clean up after them, give them a home, teach them how to read, be a mom.
Oh, that's so much work! I need help! Daga! Come on! Get your attitude! Daga, we do coalition! You gotta help me with my babies!
Well, I'm sure he will. You just put out some tobacco, you can ask Gitchimandu to help you, to be a good mom. It's the most important job there is, being a mom.
Yeah, it is a job. It's a thankless job.
Yep, it's sometimes a thankless job, You're going to raise a little boy, or a little girl, I guess. I think, actually, do you have two?
Yeah, we got two babies, I think. I think this is the second one.
You think? You don't remember if you had...
I'm pretty sure I've got I think a little bit. I can't. Honey, do we have another baby? Oh, yes, dear, this is our second child. Yeah, we got two kids now.
Oh, okay. Well, Is that Harry in the background?
Yeah, that's Harry. You want to talk to him?
Yeah, sure. How's it going, Harry?
Oh, I'm dreadful. I'm so dreadfully weary.
Yeah. So, you guys raising those kids on your own?
Well, I'm doing my level best, I'll tell you that.
Yeah, okay. Well, good luck with that.
Oh, get him on a do, we do coalition. God help me.
Yep. All right, I better get going, you guys.
Okay. Well, hey, Gigawaba Min Minowa.
Yeah, Gigawaba Min Minowa, Megan. Good use of the language.
Oh, yeah, what'd you show?
Yeah, Megan Merkel just said Gigawaba Min Minowa.
I know, I can't believe it. She's learning the language.
Yeah, that's pretty good. I didn't want to say anything negative about her baby. But, that baby scared me.
I know. You can't say anything, though. Mothers, they only see how their babies are beautiful.
Yeah. Every mom says that. And, it's just a sad fact of life. Some babies are cuter than others. Oh, doggone it. I didn't do it again.
What's that?
I finally found a kid I think we should adopt.
Who's that?
It's this little 8-year-old boy who can play Kiss guitar solos, dressed up as Ace Frehley. It was so cute.
I know, I love that when I see those little kids who can play guitar.
Yeah, the kid can play guitar as well as I can. I've been playing for 30, 40 years now. And little 8-year-olds, just wailing on these Ace Frehley leads. I'm like, yikes. It'd be so fun to have a little kid who could play Ace Frehley music. I need a lead guitarist. So I was going to clip that video and share it with the BOOZHOO crew. I believe the children are the future. Teach them about Kiss and let them lead the way. Wow. Yeah. BOOZHOO crew's got no time for early shows. You either show up at 8 o'clock or just forget it, they say. Now there's nobody again. And we're talking to nobody on YouTube. Hi, future nobodies. Thanks for coming into our live stream, you know. Got up just early to do a live stream. Oh, no, I'm not going to watch your show. It's Sunday. I'm going to sleep in. I was out getting drunk last night. Yeah, well, I got no pity for you. This song is called Wake and Bake. But it's got nothing to do with you. I've got no one, still you won't do. And after today I'd say we are quite through. But I know you won't break down, you won't miss a step, you won't be around, and you'll never forget it. One day, when I'm old and gray, I might look back and say that these were the golden days. And one day, when I'm old and I'm gray, I might look back and say this was the price I paid. So it goes, or so they say. Time's like a mountainscape. Well, I don't know, but I can't complain. God knows I've got my own escape. And sometimes I just might, even in the middle of the night. Well, sometimes and sometimes, well, I wake and bake. But it's got nothing to do with you. I've got no one, still you won't do. And after today I'd say we are quite through. But I know you won't break down, you won't miss a step, you won't be around, and you'll never regret it. One day, when I'm old and gray, I might look back and say that these were the golden days. One day,
when I'm gray, I just screwed up this song. Ah, crap. That was going well too, and I wanted to get fancy. And, but who cares, because nobody's watching anyway. Yeah. Well, it's prayer day. Not a make, eat you good. Live streams feel really weird when you don't have an audience. I just realized. So, how about we fast forward to this video and call it a show. See? Nothing really matters. Anyone can see. Nothing really matters. And I will see you again. Gigo up a man. Minoa.
Kitche Manadu. Great Spirit. Miigwech Kakina Gegu. Kaiji Chikean Nungom. Thank you for everything that you do today. Miigwech Gaiji Webak. Thank you for the weather. Miigwech Gaiji Gija Guk. Thank you for this day. And Miigwech Gaiji Bimadazian. Thank you for my life. Miigwech Bezandawiya Gichimanadu. Thank you for listening. And this is your Sunday morning Anama A, your Sunday morning prayer. So okay, now we're talking. Lick it up.
Till you know me better.
Lick it up, lick it up.
Let's just be glad for our time together.
Lick it up, lick it up.
Life's something sweet you can't buy with money.
Lick it up, lick it up.
It's all you need, believe me, honey. It ain't a crime to be good to yourself.
Lick it up, lick it up. Oh, whoa.
It's only right now.
Lick it up, lick it up. Oh, whoa.
Don't wanna wait for an invitation.
Lick it up, lick it up.
You gotta live like I'm on vacation.
Lick it up, lick it up.
There's something sweet that you can't buy with money.
Lick it up,
Money, money.
lick it up.
It's all you need, believe me, honey. It ain't a crime to be good to yourself.
Lick it up, lick it up. Oh, whoa.
It's only right now.
Lick it up, lick it up. Oh, whoa.
Come on, come on.
Lick it up, lick it up.
It's only right now.
It's only right now.
Ooh yeah.
Ooh yeah.
Ooh yeah.
Ooh yeah.
Ooh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. Woo! Lick it up.
Lick it up. Oh, whoa. It's only right now. Lick it up, lick it up. Oh, whoa. Come on, come on. Lick it up, lick it up. Oh, whoa.
Come on, come on.
Lick it up, lick it up. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah.
Lick it up.
All right.
All right. Another great kiss
Oh, wow.
song.
I would be king, and you will be my queen, 'cause we're lovers, that is a fact. Yes, we're lovers, that is that. Though nothing would keep us together, We could beat them just for one day. We could be heroes forever and ever. What you say? And you can be mean. Nothing will help us. Maybe we're lying. Then you better not stay. I think you should go. It's better that way. I don't know, man. I think it needs some work. And you have been watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO, and this is Natasha. I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Minowa, Owa.